Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the list slicing in Python. So we have discussed about the list slicing in a previous video, just briefly, but in this video, we will discuss about the list slicing in detail. Okay. So the general syntax for the slicing is something like this. Okay. So we are having this list and then we have to add the square brackets and then we can specify the starting index, then the ending index, and then the steps. Okay. And it creates a copy of the list. Okay. We will see that in action in a moment. All right. So now let's see this in action. So what we can do something like print and let's do something like fruits and open up the square brackets and then we have to specify the starting index. Okay, so let's do 1 and then colon and then we have to specify the ending index. If we do not specify the ending index, then don't worry, what will happen, this particular syntax will go through all of the remaining elements or the items inside of this list. Okay, all right. If I just run the program right now, as you can see, we are getting banana, cherry, and so on and so forth. Okay, so we can start from 0 as well. If we do that, then as you can see, we are getting the whole list. So all right, we are getting all of these elements inside of here, right, inside of the console. And one thing to point out here is that what we can do, we can just get rid of this one as well and we will get the same result. Okay, so it will start from the starting index and go till the ending index. Okay, now this array or the list which we are getting currently right now is a copy of this original list. So I can prove it to you as well. So let's do something like fruits copy equals to, we can do something like this. Okay, all right. So we can do something like fruits double equals to fruits copy. Okay, so in case if you remember, this double equals will just check the values, okay, if that is equal or not, and that is true. Okay, but if we do something like is fruits copy, so this is keyword will check if this fruits variable and the fruits copy variable are pointing to the same object inside of the memory. Okay, so if I just run the program, as you can see, we are getting false. So this is a handy syntax and this is the method to copy a list. So whenever we want to copy a list, we can use this particular syntax. Okay, all right, so this is the one. So I will just do something like fruits copy here. Okay, so let's add a starting index. Let's do something like 1 and let's add another ending index. Let's do something like 5. Okay, so 0 1, so it will start from banana, 2 3 4 5, it will go till orange, but this ending index is not included. Okay, so you will see what I mean. So if I just run the program, as you can see, we are starting from banana, then cherry, kiwi, and mango, and the 5th index is this orange. It is not included inside of this list, right, inside of the result list. So the ending index is excluded. Okay, you have to keep that in mind. So this is how we can do that. So once again, we can just do something like this. If I just do that, then as you can see, we are getting from the 1 index until the end of the list. Or if I just do something like this and do something like that, so just colon 5, we are starting from the starting index, which is 0, and going until the 5th index. Okay, so 0 1 2 3 4, and that is it. We are not going to the 5 right now. So okay, so this index is not included. All right, so what we can do, we can start from 1 and go till 5, and then once again we can add a colon and specify the steps. So let's do 2. Okay, so what will happen, it will start from the 1 index, which is banana, then it will go until the 5th index. So till the mango basically, and the step will be 2. So banana, then kiwi, and that should be it. Okay, so as you can see, we are getting banana and kiwi. Okay, it is skipping one element at a time. Okay, so this is the step basically. And now what we can do something like this as well. So if I just start from something like 6 and end to something like 1 and do something like this, so what will happen? So run the program. As you can see, we are getting empty array, right? Empty list. So in that case, what we want to do, let's add -1 and let's see what happens. If I just do that, now it works. So what exactly is happening? So we are starting from the 6th index. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And we are going to the 1 index. So 0, 1. So till banana, but banana will not be included. And now we are reversing our order. So we are starting from cherry, then we are going to orange, then mango, then kiwi, and then once again cherry, and that is it. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So this is how we can slice the arrays. And once again, all of these syntax, this particular syntax which I just show it to you, it is applicable to the strings as well. Okay, all right, so this is how we can slice the array or the list, okay, inside of Python.